This is the USS8 150 watts RMS 8-inch slim underseat or trunk mounted powered subwoofer system for your car or truck. This is a true all-in-one subwoofer solution to give you great sounding bass in your vehicle without taking up a lot of space. And with 150 watts of RMS power, the USS8 has enough power where you can either mount it in your trunk or place it under either of your seats and still get a nice, clean, and thumpy low-end sound all throughout your vehicle. The USS8 combines a high-quality 8-inch subwoofer inside a strong, exclusive enclosure which stays cool even under your seat with the amplifier built in. And the height of the whole enclosure is only 2.9 inches thick, which means it can fit anywhere. But you're probably wondering what the subwoofer system sounds like, so let's go to Perry, who has a demo set up in his car.
What's up, guys? So I have the USS8 underseat sub all set up and ready to go underneath my driver's seat here. Now this is the perfect sub for adding low end to any song, no matter what genre. So I have 3 different songs I'm gonna play for you guys today, so we can really hear the difference between them. And I'm gonna start by playing without the sub, and then I'm gonna start to bring it in so we can really hear it. All right, so we're gonna start with the rock song here. Okay, again, no sub. So let's start to bring it in now. Big difference off the bat. Hear a lot more bass and kick drum. Really nice. Yeah, that's great. All right, so that was the rock song. So now let's move on to a hip hop song, which is bass heavy naturally, but we really want to hear it coming out underneath here. So let's go there. Yeah, there you go. A lot more thump. Really nice. We can even go up more. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Feel it a lot more too. That's great. Okay. So lastly, we're gonna play the bass heavy song for you bass heads out there. We're gonna play Bass Mechanic. So let's go ahead. I'm your bass mechanic. Oh yeah. Yep, you're feeling every single bass note there. All right, let's go all the way up in volume now. Yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. That's crazy. Woo.
As you saw from the demo, the USS8 is an all-in-one subwoofer solution to add a great low-end sound to your vehicle. It also comes with everything you need for a quick and easy install. It comes with the mounting hardware, so if you don't want to put the subwoofer under your seat, you can also mount it to the back of your seats or mount it in the trunk of your vehicle. Now, if we take a look at this side of the amplifier panel, we'll see a 20 amp fuse and the power, remote, and ground terminals to power the unit. Then over here we have our RCA inputs to get signal from the output of your head unit, and then over here we have a high-level input port where our high-level input adapter harness would plug in. You can use this if your head unit does not have any RCA outputs, which means this subwoofer system will work with any stock or aftermarket head unit. Now over here we have our bass remote knob port where you can plug in the included metal bass remote knob to control the level of the amp and sub from the front of your vehicle. This is super convenient, so you can appropriately set the gain of the amp and sub to whatever song you're listening to in real time. Over here we have the phase switch so that you can change the phase of the subwoofer from 0 degrees to 180 degrees to ensure that the subwoofer is perfectly hitting in sync with the rest of your system, especially if you are using this subwoofer system with another subwoofer in your setup. And here is the auto on and off button that will work with the smart turn on feature, which senses when audio signal is present and will turn on the amplifier. When you turn off your music, the amplifier will automatically turn itself off. And over here we have our low pass filter to filter out high frequencies, and that ranges between 50 Hz and 150 Hz. So for example, if you set it to here around 100 Hz, it will only play frequencies of 100 Hz and below. This allows you to really target the low end frequencies you want to hear. The subsonic control is adjustable from 20 Hz to 50 Hz and acts as a high pass filter, in that if I set it here in the middle to around 35 Hz, it will only play 35 Hz and above. So use this with your low pass filter to get the exact range of frequencies that will play through your subwoofer. For example, if you set the low pass filter to 150 Hz and the subsonic control to 35 Hz, the frequency range played through the subwoofer will be 35 Hz to 150 Hz. Then over here we have the bass boost knob that will boost the frequencies around 45 Hz up to 12 dB, and you can use this if you want a little more thump sound from your woofer. So if you're looking for an 150 watts RMS, slim underseat or trunk mounted powered 8-inch subwoofer system for your car or truck, look no further than the USS8 from Rockville.